there, and welcome to Easy English with Alicia. And today we are going to start English from zero. So that means I'm going to share with you 15 basic vocabulary words that are useful for everyday conversation. So let's get started. Number 1, hello. A greeting. Hello. 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 Nice to see you. Number 2, goodbye. A farewell. Goodbye. 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 See you tomorrow. Number 3, please. A polite request. Please. 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 Please pass me a glass of water. Number 4, thank you. An expression of gratitude. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for the gift. Number 5, yes. An affirmative response. Yes. 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 I like that. Number 6, no. A negative response. No. 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 No, thank you. Number 7, excuse me. A polite way to get someone's attention or apologize. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. That's my seat. Number 8, sorry. An apology. Sorry. 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 Sorry, it was an accident. Number 9, family. People related to you, like parents, siblings, children. Family. 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 This is my family. Number 10, house. A building where you live. House. 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 Look at my house.
Number 11, friend. A person you care about and trust. Friend. Friend. Friend.
12, food. Things you eat. Food. 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 Look at the food. 13, water. A clear, drinkable liquid. Water. 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 water, water. I like water. 14. Book. A set of written, printed, or blank pages. Book, book, book. Hey, I have a book. 15. Time. The ongoing sequence of events. Time, 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 time. Look at the time. See you later. In going over these vocabulary words, it's important that you listen carefully to the pronunciation and have a mirror ready. The mirror can help you mimic the same mouth movements and facial gestures that I'm using so you can make the same sounds. Have a great time practicing. See you next time.